Hey folks, so I thought I'd do a little video of a new possible addition to my shop. So I had a friend who gave me this metal lathe and the stand that goes with it. You can see that it's in pretty rough shape. Lots of rust, but I'm going to see if I can clean this up. I did a little bit of work on this today, and this chuck had as much rust on it as that chuck. So, and now the tailstock actually moves, the chuck moves. So I'm pretty happy so far with some positive progress. It needs to be cleaned up a little. But little by little, hopefully I'll get this baby going, and you'll see this working in the shop. So big thanks, Brandon, for handing this over to me, and hopefully I can make something cool with it. So here's what we've been able to do to the lathe. I got a lot of the rust off. The ways are really clean. The screw is super clean. Take a look at the chuck now. It's missing a few things, like this wheel. I got to order. This arm is broken, so I got to order one of those. I've already called the company and they have them. And then it's missing the whole top slide here. But other than that, everything works well. Oh, and it's missing a belt, which is the only reason why the chuck's not spinning. So all in all, massive difference. I can definitely use this. Thanks to Parker. Say hi, Parker.
Hi.
There's the rust, the pile of rust that came off of it. But really happy about this this lathe. May even give it a coat of paint at some point, but we'll be making some cool things with this. Thanks, folks.